Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a quick video on this eyeshadow look here. I used some like a forest green and some browns. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette again, and I also wanted to show you guys how to do a fake cut crease. I know that the cut crease is all the hype right now, but sometimes working with concealer on the eyelid can be a pain, and so I think that I achieved a cut crease look here, but didn't use any concealer on my eyelid at all. So if this is something you're interested in learning and watching, then keep watching. Okay, so we're first going to go in with this blending brush and this color here in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and blend that into my crease and a little bit above. Isn't it so crazy how my eye with the makeup on already looks so much bigger? That is what I love about makeup, is that like you can totally transform anything on your face to whatever you want it to look like. And then I'm going to go in with the Pukey color, and I'm going to blend that into the crease only, not above like I did with the first color. And then going in with this e.l.f. blending brush, I'm going to go in with this forest green color, and I'm going to blend that on the outer third of my eye and create that outer V shape. And then when I feel like I have enough color packed on to that outer third of my eye, I'm going to start blending it more in towards my pupil. And then I go in with that same Makeup Geek brush, and I'm going to use that Pukey color again just to blend out the forest green in my crease there and then the outer edges of it. And then I go back in with the green again, and then with the brown I just do back and forth until I feel like I have the right amount of color and blend that I want. And then using this small little Morphe brush, I'm going to use this to do the fake cut crease illusion with the color Beam. So I just start putting that on the inner corner of my eye and then blending it in towards the green. And I just put this everywhere where I would normally put the concealer if I was cutting my crease. And then just make sure you blend it into the green that's already there. And I just put some on my brow bone. And then I'm going to do a wing liner with my Wet n Wild liner real fast. Well, not real fast. Is wing liner ever fast? It's fast on the video. And then using the small Starlooks brush, I'm going to go back in with the Pukey color and run that on my lower lash line. And then I'll go in with Enchanted again and put that on top of the brown. And then I use my Makeup Geek blending brush next, and I blend all those out some more. And then using this white eyeliner, I'm just going to put this in on my waterline, curl my lashes, and then use my favorite telescopic mascara. And then going in with these Ardell upside down foam ink lashes, sorry about that. I'm going to pop these on, and then we're done. Okay, so this is the finished look with both eyeballs done. I think it turned out pretty good, and hopefully it gives you some of that cut crease vibe without all the effort of a cut crease. I really appreciate you watching, and if you get a chance, hit that subscribe button down below. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.